Students, in this time where all the schools and colleges have been closed due to corona epidemic virus, I give you some advice for saving yourself. First, wash your hand till 20 seconds. After interval of half an hour, use mask. Live in your home, house. Follow social distancing. Fifth, don't move to and fro without work. Sixth, take nutritious protein diet. Seventh, help the poor. Thanks. Now I am going to start from number system. Exercise 1. In this chapter, you have studied about rational number. At first, what is a rational number? I am going to describe it. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. The numbers of the form. The numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. Example: 0 to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 etc. Example of real numbers. Example of rational numbers. The numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. As we know, what is integer? A collection of all natural numbers, negative of natural numbers, and 0 are called integers. So, the numbers of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. Rational numbers. Example: 0 to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 etc. And also we defined about irrational number. What is a irrational number? Rational number in Hindi we call rational number as parmeyi sankhya, and irrational number as you know that irrational number means aparimeyi sankhya. Irrational number, a number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal, nor as a repeating decimal. as a repeating decimal. Irrational number. A number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal nor as a repeating decimal. वह संख्या जो न तो जिसे न शांत दशमलव में व्यक्त किया जा सकता है और न ही उसे अशांत दशमलव में व्यक्त किया जा सकता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड इरेशनल नंबर. ए नंबर विच कैन नाइदर बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज ए टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल मीन्स शांत दशमलव. टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. if the expression of p by q terminating decimal. I define you about terminating. What is a terminating decimal? Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means शांत दशमलव. समझ गए? If the decimal expression of p by q terminates or comes to an end, that is called terminating decimal. If the decimal expression of p by q terminates i.e. comes to an end is called terminating decimal. शांत दशमलव. Terminating decimal. In terminating decimal, remainder must be 0. If the decimal expression of p by q terminates, अर्थात i comes to an end, is called terminating decimal, and one is called repeating या recurring decimal. I define you about recurring and repeating decimal. About recurring decimal या repeating decimal. What is a recurring decimal and a repeating decimal? A decimal, I define you of about a recurring decimal and a repeating decimal. A decimal in which a digit or a set of digits in which a digit or sets of digits repeats periodically is called recurring. Is called recurring या repeating decimal. Or repeating decimal. For example, Example of recurring decimal या repeating decimal, as for example 2 by 3. Dividing 2 by 3, we get 0.666. So we can write 0.6 and write a var over digit 6, because 6 repeats periodically. This is the example of recurring decimal, because after dividing 2 by 3 we get 0.666. So we can write this 0.6 and then over 6 we draw a line var 0.6. Next example of recurring decimal is 3 by 11. After dividing 3 by 11 we get 0.272727 and so on. It does not terminate, so we can write it 0.27 and draw a var over 27, because both digits repeat periodically. Hence, terminating decimal, you will understand that what is a irrational number, rational number, terminating decimal and recurring decimal. Again I teach you the numbers of the form p by q. If you have given two numbers, two integers p and q, such that q is not equal to 0, then the given number is called rational number. As for example, there are so many rational numbers: 0, 2, 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, etc. And now I define you about irrational number. In Hindi we say about irrational number as अपरिमेय संख्या, a number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal nor as a repeating decimal. वह संख्या जिसे न तो शांत दशमलव में और न अशांत दशमलव में उसे व्यक्त किया जा सकता है, उसे इरेशनल नंबर कहते हैं. As you know, examples of irrational numbers are √2, √3, √5, √6. All these numbers are examples of irrational numbers. Now I define you about terminating decimal. If the decimal expression of p by q, अगर दो पूर्णांक p और q का दशमलव प्रसार, समझ गए, टर्मिनेट्स. अब यदि हम p में q से डिवाइड करते हैं, इफ वी डिवाइड p by q and the remainder is 0, then we can say that the given expression, decimal expression, is called terminating decimal. If the decimal expansion of p by q terminates or comes to an end, is called terminating decimal. Recurring decimal या repeating decimal, in Hindi we say it अशांत दशमलव, repeating and recurring आवर्त दशमलव. A decimal in which a digit or a set of digits repeats. यदि किसी संख्या का दशमलव के बाद का अंक या अंकों का समूह यदि बार बार दोहराया जाता है, रिपीट्स होता है, then the given rational number is called recurring decimal. Example of recurring decimal are 2 by 3, 3 by 11 and so on. There are so many terminating decimals, recurring decimals then you will understand that what is a rational number, terminating decimal and recurring decimal. Now I start exercise 1.1. You will see that in question 1 you have asked that is 0 a rational number? So you can write yes, 0 is a rational number, because you can write 0 as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3 and 0 by 4. We can write 0 in the form of p by q, hence 0 is a rational number. First question, the answer of solution of first question is you can write 0 is a rational number, and also you have to ask that can you write in the form p by q. We can write 0 in the form of p by q as for 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4, 0 by 4, where p and q are integers. Next question is given, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So you have solved this problem in previous classes. So how will you find the numbers between two given rational numbers? So I give you, I solve number 2. First number, number 1, question number, answer 1. Answer 1 लिखेंगे yes 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Rational number since because we can write 0 in the form of p by q 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4 and so on. Yes, 0 is a rational number. Find second number question is given, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Add 3 and 4. Add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then 3 is equal to 3 into, we can write as 3 is equal to 3 into 7 by 7 is equal to 21 by 7, and 4 is equal to 4 into 7 by 7 barabar 28 by 7. Now numbers between 21 and 28 numbers between 21 and 28 are 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. The numbers between 21 and 28 are 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. So the required rational numbers between 3 and 4 are, the required rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7 and 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. There are so many methods to find the rational numbers between given numbers. So this method is very easy method. So I tell you to solve this method about 3 and 4. Similarly, now you can solve the next problems. Three numbers. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, and 4 number is given. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answers. In question number 4, you have to solve it by reason. You have to give a reason for this statement. First statement is given: every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. This statement is not true. Every natural number is a whole number. This statement is true because whole number is a collection of all natural numbers. So every natural number is a whole number. This statement, given statement, is true. You can write it a true statement. Second number question: every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. Second number question is given. And third number: every rational number is a whole number. I hope that you will solve all the problems of the exercise 1.1, and if you have some difficulty, then you can ask me next class, and you will learn about rational number, irrational number, repeating number, non-repeating, terminating and non-terminating numbers. And the next class I shall describe you about some numbers and how can you locate rational numbers on the number line. Next class.